Hey there, I hope you're doing swell. This morning I'm going to talk about how much student and teacher speaking time should be allowed in your private lessons. All right, so how much student teacher speaking time should be allowed in your private lessons? The golden rule of student and teacher speaking time in any lesson, whether it be in your language school or in your private ESL lesson, is 70% student speaking time and 30% teacher speaking time. The students should always have maximum speaking time in the class because they are the ones who are paying. Obviously, you are not going to teach a class with you doing most of the speaking because you'll be tired as hell, and the lesson is not about you. It's about your students and what they want and need to learn. Your time should be used wisely by guiding them only and asking questions and strictly correcting them, and that is all. Do take notes as well for them so that they do not lose concentration. When they make mistakes, be polite, kind, and courteous and correct them until they get it right. So, for a recap, never lose your cool. Don't be a motor mouth. Always follow my 70% student and 30% teacher speaking time rule. Always correct their mistakes. Never interrupt your student when they are speaking. Listen first, then speak if needed. Always pay a nice compliment here and there to your private students on their accomplishments, style, and so forth, etc., etc. Well, that's a wrap for today, everyone. Do check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or if you would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website at getrichtechingenglish.com. I also provide resume, revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out during your journey. I'm here for you, and hopefully you can make as much money as me someday doing a job that you love. Have a swell day and be on the lookout for more awesome videos. I've got thousands to put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.